So here's what happens when Jack has hiccups. What are you doing? Yeah. Oh, there's the smiles. Oh. Yeah, Mama loves it when you smile. That's good, Jack. Mama just discovered the wearing of the bib. Spit happens. Yeah, it saved a few clothes already. Yeah. You got the hiccups? Oh no! You always have the hiccups. Oh. Oh. What? Yeah, you had the hiccups a lot when you were inside Mommy. You had them all the time. It didn't matter what I ate, you'd always get them. Yeah, my mama's whole belly would shake every time you got the hiccups. Oh, hi, sweetie. Can you do one more smiles? Can you do more smiles? I think you're thinking, huh? Yeah. You're thinking about pooping, huh? You haven't pooped yet today. Oh, goodness. Yeah, give me smiles. You giving me smiles? Oh, yeah. He's so happy. Okay. Signing off. Can you say goodbye? Let's sign off. Bye-bye.